personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Godofredo Ramos Airport. We're pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Chan and First Officer Tolentino, together with cabin crew, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infants, kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Thank you.